by doing so, you can actually see how the marble actually moves. And actually, by doing that, when you when you shine, the rotating gate actually moves, and hence you will need to drop the marble, and it moves over. Sorry, give me a moment. Maybe so it's a little bit of issue. Yeah, so it moves on, then it slowly goes through the gates, and when it drops here, I'll give you a shorter. Okay, so you see the point where it drops here. You see that actually it lights out a circuit that shows a 4-digit combination here. So actually it opens a box, and inside the box there will be an infinity stone as well as these 3 cards which will actually be given, and it's related to this puzzle which now Dixon will demonstrate.
Okay, so the players will be shown these 3 these 3 coordinates. They're basically distances from the right and from the bottom. So for instance, the first one is Hong Kong, which is 24 cm and 23 cm up. So by using this ultrasonic device, they can pinpoint the location by moving this tile. So when you move this tile, you will see 23 cm here and 24 cm here. So that you know the first location. The rest are like distractions. The actual number that is used is in the center. And 24, the center line. So once they find all 3 locations and place it correctly, a code will appear on the screen to unlock this lock. So inside you have the stone and a torchlight to be played with the 3rd game.
So for this game, there are, as my teammate said just now, there are 3 games. So the first game is wire, and then the second game is symbols, and then the third game is password. Alright. And so when we get this torch from the second game, it's actually an ultraviolet torch, which means, and we have clues written on like all 3 edges, all 3 sides here, which are written in UV ink. So it can only be seen under ultraviolet light, as you can see here, and also on the back. Yeah, so also on the back, and on this side also, this side. And actually, this side is a door that is secured by a magnetic lock. So this magnetic lock will only open after you input the correct numbers on this keypad, right? So how you obtain numbers is you have to complete all 3 games, so basically, and it goes in this order. So you have to complete this first, and then this one, and then this one. And so for this first game, the clues are written here. If you want to take a look here, I guess, because I don't know it. So basically, you just have to read. It's like a bomb diffuser manual, actually. So some of the hints written here are, if there's no red wire, then cut the green wire, or if there's more than 1 blue wire, then cut the last blue wire, etc. And there's also different conditions for 3 wires and 4 wires. So the player has to identify how many wires there are. So there's 4. So 4 wires, they have to refer to the part where it says 4 wires, and then they have to they have to read through all the conditions and then find the right wire to cut. Alright, so referring to here, if there's 1 yellow wire, then cut the yellow wire, which is what's shown here lah. So how you cut the wire, basically you use these buttons to control. So it's like a arcade game as such. So you push the buttons, so you can go up and down, and it will like cycle through all the wires, and when the wires are selected, then it will blink lah. So if, let's say, because the yellow wire is correct, so when it's at this wire, then you just press the middle button to input, and then it will give you the first number to this keypad. Alright, so the rest of the games are about the same, so you just have to solve the game, and then it will give you a number. So it will be 3 numbers in total. So this game is, yeah, so the clues are written here. So only one row has all the symbols that are here, right? So as you can see, like these symbols, they don't belong here, like some of those belong here but the rest don't. So the only correct row is here, which is this one. Yeah. So you have to input the symbols in the order they appear. Okay. So if you go back to here, which means this will be the first one, and then the second one, and then the third one. Again, you can use these buttons to cycle through the symbols. So this is the one, and this is the fourth one. So you give you the second number. Alright. And then this third one is basically you have to cycle through the letters to form a five letter word. And there are a lot of 5-letter words, but not all the alphabets are available in each letter space lah. So basically, at the back we have 16 5-letter words here. If you cannot see, let's turn it off a bit. Yeah. So at the back there are some 16 5-letter words. So you have to go through everything, because out of these 16 words, only one word is able to be formed by these 5 letters lah. I can just demonstrate one of these. So it goes A, B, C, E, and F. So as you can see, there's no D. So you know you cannot form a word that starts with D. So, and it's about the same for all the 5 letters lah. So the correct answer is 3. If you scroll through everything and you find out the only word that you can form is 3. So again, you can cycle through all the letters using the buttons here. So if you form the word 3, then you can just enter, and then you get the third number. So 231 is the code that you use to unlock this thing lah. So if you enter 231, then the box will open, and then you will obtain a box here which holds the third infinity stone. Yeah. So if at any point of the game, let's say you input something wrong, like if you select the third one instead of the second one, then it's analogous to the bomb exploding. So you basically have to reset. So you can just press the reset button here, and then you start over. So that's the general gist of the game. Yeah. So